Hey guys, I wanted to share with you this new scrubber that I got from Amazon. As you can see, it's a long pole like this, and it does extend, that's about as long as it goes here. But you can make it shorter if needed. Right here at the top, that's where you charge it. It comes with the cable to charge this, and it really doesn't take long to charge at all. But when I first got it, I probably charged it for a few hours. So as you can see here, it comes with this round flat scrubber, and it also comes with this pointier one for corners. And I have used it a couple times, so you can see it does fray a little bit. These do not pull out. This is not really loose or anything like that. It just got frayed. So these are quite easy to use. When you're ready to switch them out, you just straight pull this off. It took me a little while because the first one I must have had on there pretty good. But you see it just pops right into place. What I also like about it is that this swivels. So you can make it whatever angle you need it to be. So let me show you what it sounds like when it's on. But see, it also has a level 2. It spins a little bit faster. Okay, so there's 2 levels and then it turns off. And this has been so great for me because I do have my shower here, and I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. So I really needed, of course, to scrub the floor, and it works great for the floor. You really have to try to control it, but as you can see, it does do very well for things. As you can, with the corner one, I was able to do all the corners, and even I can do the wall also. I'm able to even turn it like this and scrub the wall. So for me, this was really great because this is really a difficult spot here to clean. And so I'm able to do the floors, the walls, everything in here quite easily with this scrubber stick. And like I said, you can make it shorter so you can do ones that you don't need it to go down so much. I have loved this, and it has stayed charged. So far I've used this 3 times and I haven't recharged it yet. So for me, I am loving this as a good help to keep my house clean. So if you're looking for something like this, this is definitely one that I recommend.